Introduction to C#. So what's C#? C# is a general purpose object-oriented programming language which runs on .NET framework. So this C# language is also developed by Microsoft company which has developed .NET framework. So what applications can we write using this programming language? C# finds its applications in variety of areas like web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, and new trends like IoT, machine learning, AI. So almost all the areas you can write applications using this C# language. In this introductory class, let's understand the basic structure of C# language. So we'll be using Visual Studio IDE to write our applications. You need to install this IDE before writing any code. So watch our video on how to install Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition. Once you install the software, you need to choose the languages you want to write a code and also the application areas. So I have chosen here console application. Watch out our video on how to create new console core project in .NET 5. So I have already opened the project we have created in the last video. So we have named our project as console application, and this is how the basic structure of your C# language looks. First I am using system. So this system is nothing but a namespace. What it contains? It contains collection of libraries. If you remember, we used std.io.h. So that is to include IO operations. We used that as a reference. In the same way, in C# language, we are going to use the libraries present in this system name while writing our applications. So that's why we are including it in the beginning, that is using system. And then we have namespace console application. So this namespace we are creating for the current class. And then we have class program. In C# language, you need to remember one thing. Whatever the applications you write, that needs to reside inside a class. So that's why here class is defined. And then we have main method. This is the point from where your application starts. So main is entry point to your application. So we are going to write a simple application to print welcome to C# programming. So here I will change C# programming. So how do I print that? Here I am using console.writeLine. So what is this console now? This console is nothing but a class that belongs to namespace system. WriteLine is a method which is used to output or print text on a command prompt or console. Let's run this code. Shortcut is Ctrl F5. On the console window, you can observe we have got our text. So to exit this window, you can press any key to close this window. Let's make a little change here. I have said console belongs to this system namespace. What if I remove this? You can already see there is some error. It is showing in red line. The name console does not exist in the current context. So without using the namespace from where we are taking reference for this console, we cannot run this code. So we need to use that using system namespace. So when I have written again using system namespace, no errors here. So this is all about basic structure of C# language. Stay tuned to our channel to watch out more videos on C# language. Subscribe to our channel for new updates.